Is everybody visible my screen sharing?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
So everybody can see my PowerPoint, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm not going to take much time because your class is only for 1 hour, so it's not very long. Maybe, okay, I will speak English little bit slow so that you can understand my language. Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Then second, I will teach only 30 to 40 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Then when I teach you, if you feel that you have a very important question, then you can stop me.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Then fourth one. After finishing my teaching, I will give you another 10 to 15 minutes for question and answer session. So you can ask me question after teaching also. Okay. And then if you have uh, uh, like at the time of question and answer session, if you have to leave the class or you have to go somewhere else, you can go, no problem. Okay. And
Okay.
then if suddenly, if you have to go somewhere else, you can go, it doesn't matter. If you have to join to the another class, you can do that. Okay. And then if you have question, then you do not able to ask in English. If you are not comfortable in English, then you can ask in your own language, Chinese language or Taiwanese language, okay, whatever.
Taiwanese.
So
Okay lah, you know
maybe one
Taiwanese.
of you can translate this to me. Is there differences between the Chinese and Taiwanese languages?
Very different.
Very
Very,
different.
very
Very
Okay.
different.
Actually, now
Ah.
Taiwanese people did not speak about Taiwanese.
Sorry?
I speak.
I mean, now the young people, teenager, did not speak
Right.
Taiwanese at
Tenzin
Taiwan.
now.
We speak Chinese.
Only Chinese.
Yes.
How
More
come?
more than Taiwanese.
Okay. Why it is?
Because Taiwanese don't have writing. It only have language.
Oh,
So it's
okay.
very hard to learn.
哪有？
哦，
哪有？
不是吗？不是吗？
你去唱茄子蛋的歌就有了。
Chen is talking about the young people. Young people, they do not use Taiwanese,
okay.
but I use Taiwanese.
Okay, okay. So, shall we start our class?
Okay,
Okay.
let's
Good.
get started.
Okay. So you have given me this topic. Okay. You want to learn about this picture or this image or this diagram. Okay. So
Okay.
before I start my teaching, I would like to express my greeting to you in Tibetan language, Tashi Delek, to everyone.
Tashi Delek. Gena Tashi Delek.
Tashi Delek. Okay. And then before I start my teaching, I will do a very small prayer. Sanje choda tsoge chonamla chanjo badu dami gyasu je dage chinye gebe sonamye dola benje sanje dubara ishu kange tose nyesu ne tawa tamje pangbe tambe chene tenze be kodam de la chanze. Okay.
Okay.
So my prayer is the practice of taking refuge to three jewels. Okay. Then second is whatever I do today as a giving teaching to you, whatever the merits that I will earn, I would like to dedicate those merits to all the sentient being to achieve enlightenment as soon as possible. Okay, that is my second prayer. Then a third prayer, I made a prostration to the Buddha. Salutation to the Buddha. Okay, this is the meaning of my prayer. Okay, now I will start my class. Okay.
Okay.
So this diagram, actually, it is called Wheel of Life
Wheel of life. Wheel of
in
life.
English.
Wheel
Okay,
of
Wheel
life.
of Life.
Wheel of life.
And the Sanskrit term is Bhava Chakra.
Chakra.
Bhava
Bhava
chakra.
Chakra.
Bhava chakra.
Yes, Bhava
Bhava
Chakra.
chakra. Bhava chakra.
Mm. That
Bhava
is
chakra.
Sanskrit term. Bhava Chakra.
Bhava chakra. Bhava chakra.
Okay. Yeah, in English, Wheel of Life.
Wheel of life. Wheel of life. Wheel of
Okay. And Tibetan,
Bhava chakra.
we say Sipa Khorlo. Sipa Khorlo. Okay, now I will read slowly. Sarata Sakiku Si Tha Si. Pa
Salata.
Sakiku Si Tha Si.
Ikusi.
I will read this 3 or 4 times. Okay, listen carefully. Sarata Sakiku Si Tha Si. Sarata Sakiku Si Tha Si.
Si.
Sarata Sakiku Si Tha Si. Si.
Si.
Si. Okay. Then Pa.
Pa.
Sipa.
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 And then Ao Kanaro Kora. Kor. Ao Kanaro Kora. Kor. Ao Kadaro Kora. Kor. Lanaro. Korlo. Korlo. Sipa Korlo. Sipa Korlo. Oh,
Video.
Sipa Korlo.
Sipa Korlo.
Sipa Korlo.
Sipa Korlo. Ro.
Korlo.
Lo. Sipa Korlo.
Okay. Sipa Korlo.
Sipa
Korlo.
Korlo.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Yeah, now I will explain this. What is the meaning of Sipa? Okay, Sipa. Sipa has a different meanings in Tibetan language. Okay. First, Sipa means life.
Life.
Okay.
Sipa means life.
Yeah.
Life.
Then Sipa means birth also.
Birth.
Yeah.
Birth. Sipa. Birth.
Okay. Then another thing is Sipa also, means samsara.
Samsara, samsara,
Samsara or samsara, actually, this is a Sanskrit term. Samsara.
samsara, samsara,
The English translation is a cycle
Cycle.
existence.
existence,
Okay,
existence,
so
cycle existence.
this is not an English word. Okay, so that's why I have highlighted this in red color. Okay, this is not an English term. This is a Sanskrit term. Okay, samsara.
Samsara,
Samsara. Cycle existent means this is the English translation. Okay, samsara.
samsara,
Okay.
samsara,
Sipa.
samsara, sipa, sipa,
Sipa.
sipa.
Okay, now I will explain about the kolo.
Kolo, kolo, kolo.
Kolo
Mm,
means wheel in English.
Oh,
Wheel.
轮回。kolo,
Mm.
kolo, kolo.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Kolo is one of Zasi Dage, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Here, Sipa Kolo means
Kolo.
wheel of life.
Kolo. Wheel of life. Cycle exists. Kolo.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will tell you about the story.
Nipa.
Okay, I will tell you about the story.
书签哪件书签那地方银行宁波书
So Sukchen Yingbo,
Sukchen
actually,
Yingbo,
this is a
Sukchen Yingbo.
Tibetan name.
书签宁波书签宁波
Sukchen Yingbo. This is a
Sukchen
Tibetan
Yingbo.
name. Okay, this is the name of one Indian king.
书签宁波
Yeah, this
Sukchen
is
Yingbo.
this is the Indian name. The name of king is Bimbisara.
书签宁波
Do you hear me? Is
Yes,
everybody
yes.
okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Bimbisara is an Indian king.
Indian
Okay.
king.
Indian king. And he was the first king of India who became a disciple of Buddha.
频婆娑罗王
对对对，我正想要讲。
in Chinese okay
Okay.
okay
In Tibetan, we call him
Sukchen
Sukchen
Ningbo.
Ningbo. In India, they call him Bimbisara.
Bimbisara
King
Bimbisara
yeah. So he was king of Magadh.
King of 摩羯陀国
Magadha.
Magadha
Yes,
Magadha
Magadha.
摩羯陀 Magadha 摩羯国
Okay, so he became the first king disciple of Buddha. He was the first students of king, from the king, who became the Buddha students. Okay.
Okay
Okay, then now I will tell you the another name, okay? This is Uttarayana.
Uddayana
Uttarayana.
Uddayana
Uttarayan.
Uttarayana.
Uttarayan.
Okay.
Uddayana
Okay, it doesn't matter. This is just a name, okay? This is just a name. This is another king. Another king. Okay. Name of another king.
Uddayana.
So this king, actually, he was quite young, very young. Okay.
Uddayana.
Oh, so you are writing now. You don't have to write. I will share you my PPT. So you don't have to waste your time
Uddayana.
and your energy. And later, after finishing our class, then I will share you my PPT. So you can write it down later. So you don't
Okay.
have to waste your time and energy in this class, okay?
Okay.
You
Ud-
just focus, that's all. Okay, you just focused.
Uddayana.
Uttara, the Uttara.
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 你要把那个大跟那个
Uttara.
ra 拆开来，不能变成上下加。
Uttarayana. Okay. So
等着你念一次。
I will tell you the story behind of Sipak
Okay.
Porlo. Okay, Sipak
So-
Porlo. So this king was a student of Buddha, Bimbisara. Okay. Then this king actually he was not a direct student of Buddha,
Mhm.
but this king was quite young, very young. He became a king when he was around 18 years or 19 years
Oh,
because
teenage.
yeah, very teenage. And when he was prince, at that time he was not a king. The people like him so much. People know that our prince is very highly educated and very compassionate person. So people want him to be a king as soon as possible. But his father suddenly passed away.
Mhm.
So before he passed away, he got very bad illness. And his father, Uttarayana's father,
Mhm.
he was a very good friend of King Bimbisara, Sukching Nimbo. His
Oh,
father is
Suqian
very
Nimbo.
good friend of Sukching Nimbo, King
Oh.
Bimbisara. Okay. So before he dies, he wrote a letter to his friend, King Bimbisara. And his letter, he said that I have no doubt that my son will become a king because people like him so much. He is very highly educated and very compassionate boy. And he will become a king. I have no doubt on this issue. But he is quite young right now. And he doesn't know how to protect the kingdom. So he asks King Sukching Yingbo to help him, to guide him, to teach him how to protect his kingdom. Okay. So King Bimbisara, Sukching Yingbo, after his father dies, King Sukching Yingbo went to his kingdom. Okay, his kingdom. And they stayed together for 1 or 2 years together. And King Bimbisara is helping him how to protect his kingdom. And he was sharing his experience to him. So when they lived together, then King Uttarayana became very close to King Bimbisara. And he treated King Bimbisara as his own father. like his own father. And King Bimbisara also became very close to King Uttarayana. He also started to treat him as his own son. Okay, their relation became very good bonding, very tight, very strong relationship. Okay, then after 2-3 years, King Bimbisara, now he knows that, Uttarayana have knowledge. He has a knowledge. He can protect his kingdom. Now he doesn't need any guide. So he started to go back to his kingdom. So he went back, he returned to his kingdom. Okay. So every King Bimbisara's birthday, King Uttarayana always sending lot of golds and silvers as a gift, birthday gift to King Bimbisara. And King Bimbisara also, offering so many, golds and silver to him on his birthday. They were doing like this. Every year they were doing like this. So one year, King Bimbisara felt that I should do something new. Every time he is offering me gold and silver and so many, ornaments, so many ornaments. And I'm also, returning him as a birthday gift, so many gold, silver, so many, ornaments, something like that. So it doesn't make sense. So he felt that I should do something new. Then at that time, Buddha was in Magadh. Buddha was giving his teaching at the, the Chago Pungbori.
那个灵鹫山，巧坤波波林啊，灵鹫山。
Yeah, we call it
Chagong-
Rajgir Mountain. Rajgir Mountain, okay. So Chago Pungbori, that mountain, Buddha was staying there. He was giving teaching there. Then King Bimbisara went to visit him, to Buddha. Then he described about the King Uttarayana. And he said, I want to do something, to offer something new on his birthday. So what should I do? So he discussed this with Buddha. Okay. Then Buddha, he has a clairvoyance. So he can, power of his meditation, he can see the King Uttarayana. And he knows about the King Uttarayana. Then Buddha said, I will prepare something for you, so you can offer this to him on his birthday gift. Okay, as a birthday gift on his birthday. Okay, so Buddha has prepared this one, Sipakolo. This one.
Oh,
Okay, so if you look at the textbook, Buddhist scriptures, this painting is prepared by Buddha himself. But we really don't know that, Buddha has painted this or not. He actually, he made a plan and he has prepared himself, but we really don't know that he has painted this by himself. We really don't know that. But this idea was given by Buddha. The whole picture and idea was given by Buddha. Okay. Okay.
okay.
Any
Okay,
question?
I have no question.
Sorry, I want to ask. Then why now only we can see the civic color at the Tibetan Buddhism only?
I don't know about the other tradition. I don't know about the Chinese and other tradition. But if you look at the Theravada tradition, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Cambodia, we can see this in their tradition. I
Oh,
don't know about the Chinese tradition, Chinese Buddhist tradition, I don't know. But if you go to the Theravada tradition, you can see this.
I see, I see. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know about the Chinese. I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
Because I haven't visited to the China. I haven't seen a Taiwan also. Okay.
老师搞不清楚那个熊猫跟黑熊的差别。Nothing.
So that is the story. Then on the King Uttarayana's birthday, and King Bimbisar went to visit the Uttarayana, and he offered this big, painting to the King Uttarayana, and he said, "This is your birthday gift, this is your birthday gift." Then King Uttarayana opened this up, and he is very intelligent. Okay, he is highly educated, very compassionate king. And he opened this up and then he hang it like this, you can see the screen, he hang it like this. When he hung it, then he looked at this painting. Then he understood the meaning of the painting. So he understood the Buddha's teaching by just looking at the painting. Then he learned all the Buddha's teaching from this painting. Then he studied them and he did meditation. So eventually he became a arhat. You know the arhat?
Yes, yes. 阿罗汉.
哦，阿罗汉。
Okay, so he became the arhat. Okay, so the king became arhat. Then king felt that I should teach this teaching to his kingdom. So he opened up this painting outside of the kingdom palace, outside of the palace. Then he started to teach the Buddha's teaching to his kingdom, all the people. Then many peoples, many followers of the King Uttarayana, they also able to achieve the arhat. They also become the arhat. Okay. Then after this movement, this kind of information, this kind of news actually spread across the India. So Uttarayana became arhat, and he taught his teaching to all his kingdom, and many of his kingdom, people of kingdom, became a arhat like that. So that story actually news spread out, that story reached to the Buddha. That information, that news reached to the Buddha. So Buddha heard this news, then Buddha felt that this kind of painting, it is good, like good to share his knowledge, his teaching through this painting. Through this painting, so he can share his teaching. He can, he can, what do you call that? He can, convey his message through this painting. So he felt that those who are not a monk, who are beginner, who are beginner, so they can learn his teaching from the painting. So that's why Buddha has advised to the monk that, all the monasteries, all the Buddhist monasteries, you have to, make this painting in front of the door, in every, like a side of the door or the side of the, in front of the door, wherever it is. So Buddha has advised this to the monk, all the monks. So I don't know about the Chinese tradition, but in a Tibetan tradition, if you go to the Tibetan monasteries, every monastic, temples or main temples, uh, you can see this painting just next to the main door.
Mm.
Isn't that? You can see it. Okay, and Buddha has also advised one bhikshu has to be there next to the painting. If somebody comes to the monastery and that bhikshu has to explain the meaning of the painting. Okay, in Tibetan monastery, Tibetan temple, each temple we have one monk, bhikshu, one bhikshu there. So his duty, his obligation is to explain and describe about all the paintings, whatever the paintings that we have in our tradition. Also, has he has to explain about all the statues. We have so many statues inside the temples. So these monks, actually, his main duty is to explain the meaning of the paintings as well as the describing about all the statues. And when there is no visitors in the temple, then he will clean the paintings and he will take care about the statues.
Oh, dedicate.
Yeah. So this tradition is still alive today in Tibetan tradition. I don't know about the Chinese tradition, okay?
We don't have this tradition. No.
Maybe you must ask this to monks, Chinese monks, maybe who are highly educated, staying in a temple, you must ask this question. Then they would explain you. If it is not there, then it might be declined. That kind of tradition has declined at a certain point. So how it has declined? So you can write a new research paper by yourself. You can go and ask question to the monks, maybe different scholars in your temples. So you can ask them, you can write down whatever they describe to you. So you can do some kind of quantitative research by yourself.
Quantity.
Qualitative or quantitative, whatever you can do it.
Okay.
If you want to do. I don't know you have this tradition or not. I really don't know. So I'm trying to speak very slowly. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say.
It's okay for me.
Is there
Okay.
any problem?
No.
No
No?
problem.
No.
No.
What about I don't know her name?
Yuhan disappear.
多一点
Yeah.
点。
于涵不见了。
我在
哎，在，哎，我怎么没看到你？
啊，怎么回事？
我
有啊，我在
怎么没看到于涵？哦，在，看到了。
嗯
于涵，你有没有 any problem？
No
Question.
problem.
后面
So
听不
you
见。
can understand, yeah?
前面可以 叫什么？要怎么回答？后
你知道吗？你知道 Teams 可以开那个字幕你就可以看到老师讲的东西，它会有英文。
在哪
你找一下，
即时辅助字幕。
对对对，你就可以看到老师的英文。
OK。
OK，天哪，no problem now，no problem。
Okay.
应该有
So shall I go to the next slide?
OK，
OK。
Okay. Now, if you look at the center of rings, there are so many rings there. If you look at this circle, center one,
嗯
you can see here, this one is a pig.
，pick，
Yeah, Tibetan we call it pakpa.
啪爸，啪爸，
Paka,
Pakpa.
pakpa,
啪嘎啪爸，
pakpa,
啪爸，
paka, pakpa,
啪嘎
pakpa,
啪啪爸，
pakpa.
啪
Okay,
爸，
pakpa,
啪爸，pick， 啪
pakpa.
爸， 啪
Okay.
爸，
Then this one is a snake. So pakpa actually represents the timuk, ignorance. Tibetan we
Ignorance.
say timuk.
tick， timuk， timuk，
Oh, kauta kikuti, mashabju muka mu, timuk.
timuk， timuk，
Yeah. Kauta kikuti, mashabju muka mu,
timuk，
timuk.
timuk，
Kauta kikuti, mashabju muka mu, timuk.
timuk，
Kauta kikuti, mashabju muka
muka
mu,
mu，
timuk. So timuk means ignorance.
ignorance.
So the pakpa here, this, pig. The pig represents the ignorance. Okay,
Ignorance.
good. Okay, then second,
Ignorance will mean snack.
snake.
Snack.
Tibetan we say dul.
Sa
Dul.
pa da pa la
Sa
da
pata pa rata dashanju dula dul. Dul.
就是
等一下
Sa
sa pa da
pata pa rata dashanju dula dul.
dru dru
Oh, Sapata parata tashamjudula dul. Sapata parata tashamjudula dul.
dru
它是
dru
的
dru dru dru
Dul.
dru
Dul.
dru
Dul.
dru
Dul.
dru 晨晨，你念一遍。
Yeah, if there is no la, then do. Okay. If
Dul.
there is a la means, dul.
Drew.
Yes, Chen, you're good. Dul.
I have a
Drew.
question because
Drew.
actually Drew is just like dragon, right?
No,
No
it's
dragon.
not a dragon.
Then
It's not a dragon, it's a
how
snake.
can we call Drew sorry, how can we call dragon in Tibet?
Duk.
Duk.
Duk. Okay.
Drew.
Wait.
Duk. Dru.
Okay. You see my screen, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Okay. This is a
Oh,
dragon.
Druk.
Okay.
Okay,
Right,
this
some
one
to-
is different.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
尾音不一样。
Dragon
Druk. Dru.
and
Dru.
snake.
Dru.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Dru.
Okay.
Dru. Druk. Dru.
Okay?
Papa.
Yeah, dul.
Papa.
Dul.
Papa. Drool. Drool. Drool.
Dul.
Drool.
So
Drool.
dul represents, you know,
Drool.
anger
Anger.
and hatred.
Hatred. Anger.
In Tibetan, we say shedang.
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 Yes, shedang.
Shedang.
Shadingu she, sadada dang dang.
Shedang.
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 Shedang means anger
Anger.
or hatred.
嗔恚.
Okay, shedang.
Shedang.
Okay.
Shedang.
Now, this one, actually it is a bird.
Bird.
But if you look at the Tibetan, you know, Tibetan textbook, it has clearly mentioned this bird has to be a pigeon, sorry.
A pigeon.
Yeah,
A pigeon.
那个鸽子。
对了，
哦，鸽子，鸽子。
this bird, can you see this?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. 鸽子，鸽子。
鸽子，鸽子。
This one.
豆，豆。
Okay.
Okay.
But if you look at this drawing, you know,
Like a chicken.
Chicken.
yeah,
Hey.
it looks like hands.
I
You
cannot.
know.
We cannot see your slide.
Ah, you cannot see my slide.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened?
Okay.
Do you see now?
Yeah.
Okay. So in this diagram, it looks like a hen, chicken, whatever you said, chicken. But in the textbook, Tibetan textbook, it has clearly written that, you know, this bird has to be a pigeon.
鸽子。
Okay. Okay. So this bird, you know, pigeon represents the attachment, decha.
Attachment. Attachment.
Tibetan term decha.
对恰。
O thanaru de da de
对
cha ka sa cha.
恰。对
O
恰。
thanaru de da de
对恰。
cha ka sa cha.
恰。
De cha.
对恰。对恰。
Okay. O thanaru de da de cha
恰
ka sa
萨
cha.
恰。对恰。
De cha. So
De
de
cha.
cha means attachment in English. Okay.
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 So if you look at this, you know,
应链
center,
一执着
the
attachment
center circle. Okay, it shows the three poisonous.
三毒
Tuksum.
都送
Yeah, tuksum means sum means
Tuksum.
three.
所以都送
Sum means
都
three.
送都
Tuk
送
means poison.
poison 都送
Okay, tuksum means three poisonous.
都送
Tashabju tu ka tuk.
打
Kau
下去
sa
都搞
shabju
都
su
搞
ma
下
sum.
送送
Tuksum.
都送
Tashabju tu ka tuk.
打下去都
Kau
搞
sa shabju su ma sum.
都送
Tuksum.
都送
Tashabju tu ka tuk.
都
Kau sa
打
shabju
下去
su ma sum.
都送都送
Tuksum.
都送
Soon.
Okay.
OK
Oh, sorry. I have a question.
Okay, please.
Okay, so the Dimu is actually like Marikba, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
I will describe about this in our upcoming teaching class.
Oh, sorry.
So, okay, no, you asked me question very good.
Okay,
No,
okay.
You can ask, but I will explain about the Timuk, Marikpa, all these things in our next, like upcoming class in future.
Okay.
晨晨讲中文，你刚问什么题目？
So
没有，我
today
刚问他
we
说
would-
那个吃
today-
是不是有另外一个别名？
哦
Yeah,
，OK OK，
today we would not able to complete all of them.
Okay, okay, okay.
We will go step by step.
Okay, of course, of course. And I have
Okay.
the second question. Is
Yeah.
to assume, right? To assume actually just like how to say? 现在、过去、未来怎么讲？30卡
Past,
大、
past.
Maumba and
Oh,
how to
this is not a 3 times.
oh yes, but
Okay, 3
the
times. You are talking about 3 times. Okay.
the letter is
30
same, right?
Yeah. No, not same. Where is it? Here, I will show you. Okay. This one, different. This one, different.
Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry.
Okay, it's okay.
哦，后面是萨，一个是尬。
3
对对，
times.
没有，因为通常我们图数我们比较常听到的是30，
嗯，但他现在
对对对
这样是三读，
它对这个是3读。
读顺，
嗯
对顺，
3 poisonous.
对顺，请你送
This
送
one is tusum. This one is tuksum.
读送对送，
Yes,
读
yes,
诵
okay.
读送对送，读送对
Yeah,
对
sum,
对送
sum actually means 3.
，three
Okay. So tusum, tuksum.
读送
So he was
Tuksum.
talking about the
Tuksum.
tusum. Okay.
对送，
Past tense, present tense, and future tense.
Yes.
So he was talking about the 3 tenses. 3 times. 3 times or maybe 3 tense. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So I hope you get my answer to your question.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
This is a good
Now there is
answer.
a difference, yeah. This one is
It's a
hard.
good, it's a good question.
Yeah, very good question. You also learned something new from him.
Yeah.
Now I will do like this. Okay. This is the only differences between them. Tusum, tuksum.
读送，读送，读送，
Now you can see the differences here, yeah?
Yes,
读
yes.
送，读送。
Okay. Okay, now we will stop here and I will take your questions now for 10 minutes. I think that, too much is also not good.
晨晨问问题，晨晨你问问题吧。
我已经问完了，我已经把我的问题问完了。
我怎么办？我没有问题了，怎么办？
If I teach you too much, then, sometimes, it will become out of your capacity.
我有一个很蠢的问题，就是那个介绍的那个僧人啊，他们有什么遴选的条件？这个问题会不会很蠢？
不会不会。
So,
We have a question.
yeah, please
Is
go ahead.
we talk about the Sibicolo, right?
Sibokolo, yes.
Sibicolo, yes. And we need to send a person to explain the Sibicolo. Then who can be the person?
I didn't get your point. Can you ask again?
Oh, I mean, in the monastery, we need to
Okay.
explain the monk need to explain the Sibicolo, right? Then who can be the person to explain the Sibicolo?
Actually, in Tibetan traditions, like a monastic administration, they will choose one senior bhikshu.
Senior，OK，
Yeah, senior, like a very learned, very educated, highly educated bhikshu, so who can explain to you. So they will ask them to take care of this, duty, this job.
哦，OK，所以他是说选一个高中生吗？
不是，是选一个比较资深的，然后教育程度比较好的。
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So, that means maybe in group they will select Geshe-la to be the person.
Yeah, it could be Geshe-la or it may not be a Geshe-la also. Some
Senior.
monks, yeah, some senior monks, they are not completed their education, but still they are highly, they have already maybe finished most of their study.
Oh, okay.
Okay, they can also, select that kind of monks also.
Okay, okay.
So they
因为
are, yeah, they are eligible. They have good education to explain about the Sipa Kolo if any lay person visit to the temple.
OK OK，